Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Kenny, KVUSMC. I'm doing a video. I did this is a fish pond that I put on solar for a buddy of mine, and it's a 55 watt 12 volt panel. And I got a rule 500 gallon per hour. And this is 11 o'clock in the morning. I got a rule 500 gallon per hour fish pond pump on there. I mean bilge pump, boat bilge pump. And I'll show you what I did. And the conditions are cloudy today, but it's still harvesting plenty of sunlight. And let's see here. And I use speaker cable, but down, let me see where it is. Down there. Whoop. If I reach my hand down in here. Hope nothing gets me. But anyway, it's a rule 500 gallon per hour. At the bottom I put it like a scouring pad for the to filter everything out. And there's a hose going to this. But yeah, it does an excellent job. But yeah, we're happy with it. And it does a good job for them. And it's a rule 500 gallon per hour, 25D rule pump. My battery's starting to go dead. That's nice. Alright, I got a 4-ounce sinker on that thing, holding it to the bottom. Anyway, and I got my cable running across here, going down. Everybody gonna bury it later on. But here she is. It's a 55 watt polycrystalline solar PV module. 55 watt. So it puts out about 3.6 amps. And here's what she looks like. Yeah, there we go. And that thing harvests plenty of sunlight. Alright, we're going to keep on shooting this video. And I use one of them TV antenna mounts right here with salt treated wood. And I use some mounts out of anodized aluminum angle. Yeah, it's doing a heck of a job. Alright. And I see that this thing is shooting out the water, let me tell you. But yeah, man, look at that, y'all. Got bullfrogs in here, all kind of little critters. But that thing is doing super. And it's not much sun out at all, but it's doing a job. All right, y'all. Well, this is KVUSMC. Oh, good God, that's ugly. Let's see. Whoa. This is KVUSMC. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all come back now. Alright. Bye-bye. Hey, it's good to help a neighbor out. Alright, y'all take care.